This video will demonstrate what's new when setting limits and force on an AC gate operator manufactured starting in 2022. For this demonstration, we are programming the SL3000UL operator. Your operator may appear different. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. Gate operators manufactured starting in 2022 will have a step saver setup label. This demonstration simulates a first-time setup. When the operator is powered on, the LEDs next to the open left and open right buttons will flash alternating. This lets you know you need to confirm that all entrapment protection devices are connected and functioning properly. Make sure photo eyes are aligned and edges are working. To enter manual mode, press and release both the open left and open right buttons at the same time. The LEDs will begin to flash in unison. Next, set the handing for the gate you are programming. For this installation, the gate we are controlling opens to the right. Press and release open right. The open left LED will continue to flash. The open right LED will be solid. Follow these steps to program the limits. Use the Move Gate buttons to jog the gate to the open position. Locate the open limit nut or cam. Press in the bar and rotate the open limit nut until it depresses the open limit switch. Use the Move Gate buttons to jog the gate to the closed position. Locate the close limit nut or cam. Press in the bar and rotate the open limit nut until it depresses the close limit switch. Programming the limits is complete. Exit manual mode as follows. Press and release open left and open right at the same time. The operator will begin automatic force setup. This will warn that the gate operator is getting ready to move on its own. You will hear an audible alarm warning that the gate will move on its own. The gate will open and close while sounding an audible alarm. Here's another important change. If you are not in manual setup mode and you turn the reversal force dial, you will see diagnostic code 3A. The reversal force has not actually been changed. If you did not intend to change the reversal force, turn the dial back to the original setting. The diagnostic display will change back to 00. If you did intend to change the reversal force, you need to save the new setting. Enter manual setup mode by pressing open left and open right at the same time. Then, press open left and open right to exit and save the new force setting. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster.